Hi, this is David Cote of What Should We Do at the beautiful Lyceum Theater on Broadway, talking to the actors of The Play That Goes Wrong to find out exactly how did it go right. Did you ever have like official training for physical comedy?
I mean, I did go to graduate school for acting, but I don't think anything really prepares you for this. It's sort of trial by fire. When they're teaching it to you, they're like, you know, and then you just get pulled through the window. Some of the things that people say, you must be so hurt after that, are usually like the safest things. The more we take it very seriously, the funnier it becomes because people love watching people in pain.
You'd be surprised, considering it's such a dangerous looking show, how well taken care of and how safe the show actually is.
There's a lot of water that's spat out throughout the entire show. In the first few weeks, I remember it was like ice capades up here.
It's a prop, yes, it's an actual prop. So these are just a few of our slapsticks. It was actually made for our show because while we were in tech, they kept saying it's not loud enough here.
This is the official Broadway slapstick.
Yes, this was made in a prop shop just for our show.
Can I see how?
Yes, oh please.
One of the most memorable parts of the show is when my character, Chris Bean, as Inspector Carter, walks through the door to make his entrance, and Cecil is already here, and this shield, which is above us, falls down and slaps me in the face, and I fall to the floor. So how about we demonstrate how it works night after night, and then maybe if you're brave enough, you can give it a go yourself.
Don't worry, Florence! Follow my lead!
I'm sorry to have kept you, but now that... Oh! Oh! Ouch.
Ta-da!
This is exclusive footage. This is David's Broadway debut. Here we go.
Tell my mother I love her.
Don't worry, Florence, follow my lead! Ah! Here it comes. Oh!
You alive?
Yes.